years of carpentry taught me one thing. The foundation is only as good as the honesty behind it. Most people look at their job and they see a construction site. Well, I see a chance to fix a broken industry. Walk onto any job site in America, you'll see the same thing. Dumpster overflowing with cutoffs, dirt collected timber, grown for decades, cut down, shipped, and then tossed aside because the math didn't quite line up. We've been conditioned to look at 20% waste and call it normal. We've been told for decades it's just the cost of doing business. Well, I'm here to tell you that cost is too high. It's a cost to the planet, a cost to the client, and a cost to the craft. And at the Project One, we aren't just building walls, we're auditing the soul of how we build. And the results? Well, they're going to change everything. I'll be honest with you, I used to be a skeptic. I'm a guy who values the weight of a hammer and the smell of fresh sawdust. For a long time, I thought AI was just a shortcut for people who didn't want to get their hands dirty. I thought it was for the tech guys in offices who had never actually swung a framing nailer, felt the grain of a heavy oak beam. Then I realized something that changed my entire approach to the craft. AI isn't a replacement for the carpenter. It's just the sharpest chisel I've ever owned. It doesn't take the tool out of my hand. It frees my mind to see the problems before they happen. It's like having an X-ray vision of the future.
I've spent most of my life working with my hands, and I know that anything worth building takes more than one man. This mission, the Circular Future, it isn't a project I can finish alone. It's too big for one workshop, and it's too important to stay confined to just one job site. We're at the crossroads in history where the old way is dying, but the new way hasn't even been fully built yet. That's why I'm looking for the founding 13. I'm looking for 13 pioneers who understand that being a tech artisan isn't about being replaced by a machine. It's about being restored by one. It's about using technology to get back to the quality our grandfathers took for granted. But with the efficiency of the future demands, it's for the builders who are tired of our waste, and the dreamers who aren't afraid to get their boots muddy. We aren't just building a house. At Project One, we're building a blueprint for the future of work itself. We're proving that you can be high-tech and high-touch at the same time. Creating a system where the artisan is the hero again, powered by the data rather than buried by it. This is about legacy. It's about what we leave behind, besides a pile of sawdust. For 20 years, I defined myself by the wood I cut and the structures I raised. But today, that's not enough. I am CircularFuture. I am the voice of the trees that shouldn't have been cut, and the advocate for the precision we've ignored for too long. This isn't just a business name or a logo on a shirt. It's a commitment to a world where nothing is wasted and everything has a soul. We've all been chasing the grind. We've all been told that faster is better, even if it's messier, even if it leaves us exhausted and our dumpster's full. But I'm still a carpenter, and I'm still learning that there's a different rhythm to the work. It's the rhythm of intentionality. It's the moment when the digital blueprint meets the physical reality and they fit perfectly. No forcing, no making it work, just the truth of the craft. If you want to stop chasing that hollow grind and start building things that'll outlast all of us, then join me. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to this world when we stop wasting our materials, our time, and our potential. When we start dreaming in high definition. This is Project One. This is the one new standard. I am CircularFuture. We are CircularFuture. And we're just getting started.